let us move on to the next product of Indus Viva, iCoffee. iCoffee. As you all know that iCoffee is also called as a functional health beverage, which means that it gives you the color, it gives you the taste, it gives you the flavor, it gives you the smell of coffee. Along with that, it also gives you a lot of functional health benefits like managing the sugar. So, as you all know that iCoffee is of two variants, iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black. iCoffee Black contains 22% salcital and it can be used for type 1 diabetes. iCoffee Creamer has 11% salcital. It can be used for other kinds of diabetes, my dear friends. So these are the two important differences that one has to know about this iCoffee. Diabetes. As you all know that diabetes is a disorder. It's a group of diseases as we call, which normally happens due to defects in insulin production, insulin action, or sometimes both. Diabetes also happen because of disturbances in the carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism resulting from the insulin defects in the body. Effects of diabetes. This is very important. Getting diabetes is quite easy, but suffering from diabetes is quite difficult. See, getting the disease is easy, but suffering from the disease is difficult. This is what medical science says. Normally, in the coronavirus situation also, there are a lot of studies which are happening across the world which scientists speak in this way. They tell that getting coronavirus is affected by coronavirus is easy, but getting sick with the coronavirus is quite difficult, which means that getting the disease, everybody gets it, but getting sick with the disease, only some population is getting it actually, which means that that set of population is not having the proper immunity. Similarly, getting diabetes is quite easy, but we have to avoid getting sick with diabetes. That is where the importance of supplements play, my dear friends, to prevent and protect the body against all these complications. So normally, whenever the diabetes happens, the issues or the ailments are long-term. It causes long-term damage and dysfunction and failure of various organs. This is what diabetes does. There are a lot of reasons and types of diabetes, mainly the insulin resistance, abnormal glucose production by the liver, genetic susceptibility, which is nothing but the family history, if it is there. Obesity and diabetes are like brothers actually. So both of them are responsible for each other. Increasing age, bad diet, pre-diabetes, all these things are the major reasons. A lot of diabetic types are also present. But we are considering diabetes as a whole here because our product is a holistic product which not only manages the sugar levels, but it also gives you a good quality of life. This is what Indus Viva supplements are capable of taking care of. So, India's bitter truth. So even though this is a sweet disease, we call this as India's bitter truth, my dear friends. Normally what happens here is, there is a statistics which says that by the year 2040, around about 125 million Indians will be affected with diabetes disorder. So it is in our hands now to protect and prevent the people from getting this diabetes, my dear friends. As a supplement, please use this product. Please suggest this product to other people so that we can prevent them from getting into or protect their bodies from getting into a state of diabetes. I hope my point is clear to everyone. So going ahead, diabetes, as you all know, that is called as a disorder. It is not a disease. So normally what happens here is, starting from a simple tiredness, the person will have frequent urination, sudden weight loss, wounds that not heal. Normally the wounds will heal faster in a normal individual, but in a diabetic person, sometimes the wound healing is very late, and ultimately it can result in something called as gangrene, in which the amputations will normally happen. Always they are severely hungry because of the increased basal metabolic rate. We call this as a polyphagia. Sexual problems can happen in both men and women because of impairment in the sugar levels. Vision problems can happen in people with diabetes. We call this as diabetic retinopathy. Vaginal infections can happen in women. Numbness or tingling in the feet, we call this as diabetic neuropathy, can happen. People tend to drink a lot of water. Okay, gulp a lot of water. So we call this as polydipsia. All these conditions are associated with diabetes, my dear friends. So diabetes is not a single disease. It is a multiple disorder. Lots of other things are associated with this. So whenever you are consuming iCoffee or suggesting iCoffee to someone, not only think about reducing the sugar levels, think about all these things also. So diabetes is not only controlling of the sugar levels, but all these things are also associated with this, where the antioxidants of iCoffee can be helpful. I hope my point is clear to you. The most important ingredient which is present in iCoffee is called as Salacia reticulata. We call this as salsitol as well. In Indian terminologies, we call this as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga. In fact, this is a wonderful ingredient which is mentioned in the Charaka Samhita, dating back to 900 to 700 BC for controlling the blood sugar levels. The other ingredients of iCoffee, we have the coffee beans, which are the premium quality coffee beans which are sourced from Coorg region of Karnataka, known for controlling the blood sugar levels. It also contains the goodness of cowhage or the velvet bean, which is also known for supporting the healthy blood sugars. The other important thing that you have to know about iCoffee is our coffee does not contain caffeine. What we normally do is our coffee beans are slowly roasted at 40 degrees Celsius. By doing this procedure, caffeine will be eliminated from the product, which means that caffeine will be totally eliminated. It will not be present in the product, and you can consider our product as caffeine-free coffee. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So far as the FAQs are concerned, it is suitable for all kinds of diabetes. Specifically for iCoffee Black can be used for type 1. The iCoffee Creamer can be used for remaining types of diabetes. Does this have sugar? So definitely not. It doesn't contain any sugar. It can be taken as long as desired. It can be taken along with other medications as well. It can be taken along with insulin as well. It does not lower the sugar like the conventional anti-hyperglycemics. It will gradually reduce the sugar levels. Even a normal person can take iCoffee. Yes, 1 sachet a day can definitely be used. So far as a protective and a preventive supplement, it can definitely be used, my dear friends. So 1 sachet of iCoffee is to be mixed with 80 to 100 ml of hot water, and then it needs to be consumed. It should not be used with cold water because the benefits will reduce, because most of these herbal ingredients will solubilize mainly in the hot water and not in the cold water, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to everybody.